Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Om Aim Saraswatyai Namah. Om Shri Gurave Namah. Om Ham Hanumate Namah. Om. Om. Sarvamangalamangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Divine insight in the Thanksgiving celebration. And we invoke Goddess Narayani. O Goddess Narayani, you are the very embodiment of auspiciousness. Mangalam. Mangalam word is a highly mystical, profound. That experience that allows your mind to dissolve. Man gala. Gala dissolves. Mind is the source of all your problems. Projection. Vrittis of the mind. So anything that leads you towards manonash, in practical world is the source of all that is auspicious, good. So you are the very embodiment of auspiciousness, the giver of all forms of auspiciousness. Any auspicious experience allows your mind to be filled with inspiration. Same experience that causes distress, but with a positive mind, it becomes the source of inspiration. You are Shiva, consort of Lord Shiva. You are the bestower of success in all Purusharthas, 4 forms of self-effort: dharma, artha, kama, moksha. You are the sustainer of all those who take refuge in you. You are the Gauri Devi, embodiment of grace with 3 eyes. Thanksgiving, the Sanskrit and word and popular word in India, Dhanyavad. And from different languages, you have different words used. Thanks, gracias, obrigado, shukriya. That's Arabic. And popular Hindi way of saying, आपकी बड़ी कृपा है. Thanks. And we give thanks to God, to parents, to Guru. You have 5 debts to pay. Deva Rina, Rishi Rina, Pitri Rina, Nri Rina, Bhut Rina. Deva, your relation with God. Rishi, sages who have brought the divine message. Pitri, your forefathers. And you are indebted to all human beings. Everything you do is a work of countless sacrifices from different personalities all over the world. And all the creation other than human being, they come under Bhuta. And you are indebted to all of these. You pay the ring profoundly by practicing integral yoga. Subtle meaning of the word dhanya, han. Dha term is dharma. Nya, that which leads you to dharma, path of dharma. The prayers are called vinaya. The vishesh naya. Moving towards God, naya term is bowing down. The physical bowing down has a subtle allegorical importance. That which allows you, your ego to melt. So that's called Vinaya movement. Dhanya, that type of bending, that type of bowing down, that blesses you with real wealth. Dhan, the real wealth, real prosperity is Daivi Sampat. Dharma, Daivi Sampat. It's all the divine virtues. That's called divine wealth. Nya, to be drawn to the heart. Dhan plus nya. A witty English word, thanks. Th, tha, points to sthita prajna. You have established vision, aham brahmas. There you can sit. Ankh in your heart, deep in your heart. The literal ordinary ankh means lap. You put a baby in your lap. Bringing the goal of life, sthiti, into your heart. English word, thank. Behind that, that's my witty interpretation. Thank is pointing to the goal of sthita prajna, for which you don't have to think. Happy Thanksgiving. I have presented acronym for thanks, Thanks. T, truth. H, harmony. A, aspiration. N, negation of egoism. K, knowledge. S, soul communing with God. Thanks. And giving, give. Thanks. The great scripture, Panchadashi, has presented a whole section of giving thanks. And I have quoted one of them. Dhanyoham, dukham sansarikam na vikshedya. Dhanyoham, swasya jnanam palaitam kwapi. I am blessed. I am no more subject to the miseries of the world. I do not perceive the miseries of the world anymore. My ignorance, the bundle of karmas have fled away. I know not where. Thanks to God. And the highlight of the message, be thankful to God. See the universe giving thanks to God, thanks to prosperity as well as adversity. You are being led to immortality. Om.